Guys, you can see now I'm out of the house. Now you can see, friends, water, the level of the water, how much it is. Just I'm near the house. Even you can see the bamboo has fallen. See, it is too much. I can see the neighboring house. See, now here the bamboo has fallen badly. Even the main road is filled with water. Now let's go to other's house. And see, water in this house filled with totally too much of water in season rain. Wow. See, everywhere filled with water. Now you can see the main road from here. There, it's totally water. Even the Kacha road became filled too muddy, filled with water. Now we can see the road is being blocked by these bamboos. It has fallen this morning. Wow, water dangerous. We can't go now. And this is the main road, you can see, friends. And here water. Okay, see, wow, what a weather. Now you can see near our house also. You can see the sky, dark clouds. Okay guys, see you in next video.